Hey everybody, Connor here. I am one of the Wagoneer ambassadors here at Brad Deary Makokada. I wanted to take the time to show you this absolutely gorgeous 2022 Wagoneer, brand new to the lot, brand new to the world. And honestly, we are all absolutely amazed at the quality of this thing. The features are unbelievable, super easy to use. You are all absolutely going to love it. Kind of start here at the back. Of course, you do have your power liftgate. We also do have a tow package. So just so everybody knows, if you do have something to tow, you do have the 5.7 Hemi to tow it. So you do have more than enough power. Third row seat is power here. So you can set these down. If you don't need that third row, very, very easy to use. It also is a power backup as well. Now your people who are sitting in the back can also get more comfortable, put the seat further up and further back so everybody is beyond comfortable in the vehicle. Coming around over here, we got the second row seat. Might need to unlock that first. Second row seat, you do have heated, plenty of plugins as well. We know everybody is plugged in using phones, laptops, tablets, everything. So you're never gonna have to worry about running out of power. Coming up to the front here, the gorgeous, completely brand new design to the Wagoneer. Kind of mimics the Grand Cherokee L with its own kind of pizzazz, I'd like to say. You do have your dual screens in here. So of course you got your main screen, which get it turned on here. Alpine stereo system, going to be jamming out in style. Navigation fully included. Now for those of you that do know what Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is, of course it is equipped with that. You do have your wireless phone charger down here. All of the safety features, you got your active lane management, adaptive cruise control, blind spot, which everything does display up in the instrument cluster, as to when, you may be in danger. You also do have, which you can kind of see up there, your heads-up display. So when your navigation is on, it will tell you, which direction you need to go and everything like that. Always got to make sure you're keeping your eyes on the road. Now right here, we do have this button, which turns on the passenger screen. So now, when the passenger's getting a little bored on the long road trips or whatnot, or you got some questions about the navigation, you're jamming out, they can get all the directions for you. Plenty of storage in here. Yeah, storage is definitely not an issue in this thing. They know families are going to be in here, take some road trips, pack up some Christmas presents. But yeah, gorgeous vehicle, everybody. Highly recommend you come out this way. Let me know.